Hello, I'm Norbert Vaassen, energy engineer, and today in this video 24 I will explain to you what the role of nearly pure oxygen can be in the creation of fire. And I know that you like all fire. I see the millions of views on the subject on YouTube, but I see very few videos which explain what happens when you add pure oxygen to the fire. I found these walnuts in the cellar. They are very old, 20-year-old. There we are. Bye bye. How can that work as a burner? There's no air supply.
It can't work, man.
Oh yes, and I will show you. This is my machine that can create oxygen from 35% to 90% of concentration. And you know, the normal concentration of oxygen is 20%. And if this is not enough for you, then here are some medical applications, and not only in the hospital, but also at home and work. I would like to start with pure oxygen, like here, 90%, but with very low flow. I will fill up this burner. I say to you, please don't work with fluid fuel, because that will evaporate. And then together with this nearly pure oxygen, it will be very explosive. And on the other hand, if you use this kind of fuel, that will not burn so quickly. This smoke means that there's much conversion of fuel to gas, and it's not burned all so because there's not enough oxygen. This is called gasification. And this smoke, this gas, is useful for burning in a second moment. Now here you see that as soon as oxygen comes into the burner, it will mix with the fuel and it will get very bright. From the other side, where it hits the wall of the burner, you will see that a red spot will form at the other side, and it can even make holes in the steel. Do you see that? I'm cutting a round hole in it. There it is. I'm blowing it away. Amazing. If you like this video, put your thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. In some of the next videos I will certainly come back to this subject because I learned much of this video and I get new ideas. I have just to develop it, and then I will show them to you. Okay, so I wish you good energy.